Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to generate AI images from text with FlexClip. First, log into your account. On the right side, you can preview some sample images. Refresh the page to explore more examples and get inspired. If you like one, you can use its prompt directly to create a similar image. On the left side, describe the image you want to generate, and let AI help you refine your prompt. You can also get a prompt from an existing image. Or simply try one of our sample prompts if you're not sure where to start. Choose your AI model. Next, choose your preferred style. And upload a reference image if needed. Select how many images you want to generate. Then, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your ideas will come to life as stunning AI images. You can download the result directly, or turn it into an AI-generated video. Click to open the image to check the details. Share it on Facebook or Twitter. Send it to others with a link. Or copy the prompt to create even more images. In the History tab, you can download or delete multiple images at once, or edit them together on the editing page. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.